What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be doing a repair on this shingle right here. As you can see, it's got a crease on it. As you can also see, I got quite a good amount of damage up here. We got this whole area. That left side is almost half the slope is covered in tarps. We got some damage on that slope, a couple damage on that slope, a little bit on the back. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do this repair attempt and see how pliable these shingles are. It's pretty warm this morning. So as you can see already, we're starting to get some tearing going on. This is very, okay, again, you can see a little bit more tearing going on. This is a very brittle shingle. Okay, again, another tear. This thing's just kind of eating straight through it. Okay, again, another tear. Being as gentle as possible with this. Just trying to get it unsealed. Okay, again, another tear happening. All right, it's just so much. Just trying to unseal it. Okay. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna get our roof snake. Okay, you can see, trying to hold this up, it's tearing. So now we got two tears right there. I'm not lifting that shingle up too high at all. Another tear. Again, I'm not lifting this shingle up too high. I'm just lifting it up high enough to where we can actually get that. And you can see another tear is happening right there. It's very brittle. Right. You can see. Come show. You can see the nail is perfectly flush. Get a closer look at this. When we go to undo that and get that nail out, it just tears all the way through. Alright, so now I have some more tears right there. Again, show that. You can see it just completely tore through. I'm just trying to get in there so I can get this nail out. Yeah, pieces falling off. Whole disaster.
Yeah, it's hot. Huh? In the center.
we're gonna leave that shingle here for y'all to send off to our alley. All right. Next up, what I put the roof?
Right back.
Oh. All right. So now comes the fun part. Putting the new shingle back in.
The meat mallet is crazy.
Put this one right here. You can see how it's just eating away at that. This whole piece right here. Sheesh, how many nails did they have in this thing?
A good bit.
Last one with the right here. Sheesh, all right, a couple more nails.
How many nails did it have?
That's what I'm saying,
Yeah.
bro. That's why I make sure all the nail holes are plugged back in. Golly. I didn't even notice that. When we're taking them out. Alright.
Taking this in.
All the Yep, that's the last one right there.
Right. That little small one right there. I know there was another one, a little small one, I think.
Ooh. All right. So. Ooh, I'm tired. All right. So, based on that repair, you can see multiple areas of failure. We got try to be careful here. We got this one spot right here. You got a spot right here. So mark both of those. Right. Anything over here? We got a spot right here. As you can see. Spot right here. A spot right here. Another spot right here. You got this spot right here. You can see it's falling apart. And then we got this spot right here. Big spot is gonna be this one right here. Show this close up to you. This is that one where that big tear happened right here. You can also see some creasing going on right there, as well as it's like some creasing starting right there as well. Boom, 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 and boom. Right. So, as y'all can tell, using the correct tools, the correct techniques, correct everything, a willingness to make this pass
Resulted in a fail.
still all resulted in the same thing, which is going to be a fail. We appreciate y'all for watching. I'm going to get this sent in, and like we said, we'll leave that shingle right down the front porch for y'all for RLS report. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.